Yep, of course, flipping them off. Dude just immediately flipping an illegal U-turn. So, we'll see. Do they honor their oath? Vehicle number 20. Why are you harassing me, blocking the roadway? Why are you breaking traffic law with no legal justification?
You're on bond, I would watch it.
What, I don't have freedom of speech? You're gonna criminalize that again? Yeah, I'm on bond for bogus charges and the judge admitted it in court, which is enough to slam you in court. Your department. Are you that stupid? You guys arrested me under false pretense for freedom of speech. That's a civil rights violation. Lawsuit and criminal charges, moron. Title 18, Section 241 and 242 of the Federal Code. Yeah, drive off like the piggy you are.